With director's view, you call the shots. Choose which angle to use while recording. To start, open the camera app. And tap More. Then tap Director's View. From here, tap Record and then shout, "Action!" Now you can transition between the angles you want seamlessly.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be learning how to play the trumpet. Let's check it out.